No follow.
We are on our way to this mysterious island.
Seriously.
This is our tour guide here. Oh, and this is Doris. Oh, and you don't have to see me yet. Coming from a tush girl. Oh my lord. And then where? What do you say they call that place?
They say like jacuzzi.
Jacuzzi.
There is jacuzzi.
Okay.
Yes, you need jacuzzi, and yes.
Okay, please. That place is looking like.
Doris, you go first.
Okay, people.
Waterfall is the only low budget swimming pool for students and indigenes in Akungba. Doris! So can you swim?
Oh no, I can't see.
Why?
Water, like I'm scared of water. But I love being around water. But to like enter the water and put my head inside, it's always a problem for me.
Yeah.
But I love the sound of water. I love being around water. That's right.
Oh, that makes sense. Yeah.
Under the sea, no follow. Under the sea, darling, it's better down when it's winter.
Okay, Doris is a typical Yoruba girl from Ondo State. Yeah, she doesn't look like it, but yes, it is what it is. So Doris told me about a river named River Dada. She explained how a baby named Dada got in the river and died. So because of that, they had to name the river River Dada. And that's very funny, but I'm finding this interesting. I mean, I'm so scared of water, guy.
Under the sea, nobody beat us, fry us, and eat us,
Guys, I met Tarzan and a very beautiful slay queen. Okay, so far, did you enjoy yourself?
Yes, I enjoy myself. It was like, dang, I'm so happy. Like, it's like the highlight of my day. Like this week. Did you enjoy yourself?
I enjoyed, but it wasn't.
Are you telling the camera? I'm showing us injury.
Okay, so you say, sorry, like this, you don't know.
Sorry. I didn't know you got injured.
I got injured.
Sorry.
And it's tanning.
When you
Tanning. What's it, but? Yeah.